I'm bougie. Hey, hey, I got curls. Mm. Guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So today I am going to show you guys how I got these curls. If you would like to see it, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and braid the ends. Keep in mind that you can make the section as big as you want or as small as you want, but the bigger they are, the looser the curls, and then the smaller they are, the tighter the curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this rubber band. You don't have to do this. I personally want to do it because I kind of don't want my curls to go too far up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the rubber band on all of them and then go ahead and braid them. I want my curls to be tight, so that's why I put the rubber band there, but you don't have to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, put the rubber band, section all of them, and put the rubber band on, and then we can dip it in the, well, braid it and then dip it in the water. Okay guys, so I am done putting the rubber bands around the braids. Right now what I am doing is I am pulling the braids through the rubber band and making sure that the rubber band is just at the end of the braid so that my curls does not go further past the end of the hair. I hope that what I am saying is making sense. So basically just pull the braids through a little bit and make sure that your curls are starting exactly where you want them to start. So once that is done, we are going to go ahead and braid it. This is just like braiding regular braids, box braids, whatever you want to call it. It's not difficult. It's just literally like chunky braids. So you want to go ahead and braid it all the way to the end. Guys, don't mind me, okay? I was trying to show y'all how the end was supposed to look like, so I had to find a way to hold the braid and braid it. So yeah, just ignore this part. I just wanted you guys to be able to see the ends. So you want to make sure that you braid it all the way down. I mean all the way down, because you don't want it to unravel once you dip it in hot water. So if the ends are like tinier and tighter, that kind of secures the hair and it doesn't unravel when you dip it in hot water. So again, I am pulling the braid through the rubber band and just making sure that my curls start exactly where I want them to start. I don't want it to start where my braids, like I don't want it to start with the braids. I want it to start at exactly where the braid ends. Okay guys, so once that is done, we are going to go ahead and dip the braid in water. This is hot water, please. If you have help, utilize it. I personally don't have the help, so I do it myself. Again, I have been doing this for many years, so I am used to it. I mean, there's been times where I have burnt myself. So make sure that you know what you're doing and get help if you need help or if you have help. So I am just using a couple cups. I mean, I have like a cup that I got from Popeyes, and then the cup that is just a couple of cups stacked up so that I don't burn myself. So again, please, if you have a better cup, if you have help, please use it and don't do this alone if you don't know how to. So we're just dipping the ends in hot water and then drying it off. And yeah, that's just it. And that is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and dry out the braids, just get as much water out as I possibly can. And that is it. I was so exhausted, so I'm gonna leave this to dry overnight so that my curls can be more defined. So it's completely dry, like dry, which is what I wanted in the first place. So like I said before, the longer the braids stay in here, the more defined the curls will be, and the longer the curls will last. But one thing that I do like about this hair is that you can always go back and put the curls back in there if you felt like, you know, you were losing it. You could always braid it back up and just dip it back in hot water. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the end right here where the braid kind of stops. I cannot find my scissors, so this will do for now. So once that is cut, we just unravel. So this is it, guys. Look at those beautiful curls. Listen, I am obsessed with this hairstyle, okay? And these are really easy to take out. I mean, they are jumbo braids, you know, so it doesn't really require much to take out. So popping the rubber band at the top could be a little difficult. You could just go ahead and use the scissors and cut it. That's the easier way. Or you could just be like me and just pull it off. So it's just up to you. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Like, I am obsessed with this hairstyle. Like, whenever I do this, because listen, I can't wear wigs because I just feel like I have a lot of hair and my head is too big. Or at least I haven't found the right person to, you know, do it right. So I just love braids, and you know, to be able to have the curls and just this bounce and fullness, I was living for this. So yeah, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, turn on your notifications so that when I do post, you guys will be able to see it. Let me know what type of videos you would like for me to do, and I will try my hardest to get them done for you guys. Bye.